Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU RS5 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, let's scroll down and find the option called the system, and once you find it, select it, and in the system menu you should see the option called reset. Once you see it, tap on it and then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And once you see the hello welcome screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.